how to edit and change your favorite music on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and now click these 3 points and then click edit profile. Scroll down, click interests, and then scroll down, click favorite movies. Now just change it, and that's it, and save it, and that's it. All you need to do, just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you because it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.